Hello everyone, I am Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing and I am making this video for my Gemini friends. So, this is a tarot reading for all my Gemini friends and let us understand how the month of December will be faring for all my Gemini friends. Gemini, whatever you call. Alright, tarot, please tell me, how will my Geminis be in the month of December? Lovely. This time I'll be removing 7 cards. And earlier I used to remove 6 cards. This time my spread is different. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. I keep doing that a lot. Alright. Correct. So, Gemini people, वैसे you have got certain cards which are very rare. This card very rarely comes in a tarot reading. It shows that God is watching over you. God is very happy with you, the way you've shaped up your life. And whatever you've been through, you've come as a winner. So God is very happy. Just take care of your temperament. Alright? Just take care of your temperament. You might go through a certain mood swing also in December, which is okay. Emotionally, please do not be expecting great things from relationships. Do not be in relationships. The card is self-explanatory. So I'm here to warn you. I'm not here to tell whatever you want to hear. But whatever is there, I will have to tell you. I'm your guide for that matter. Yes, there is an emotional card. There might be someone in your life who would give this kind of an experience to you. I always say that everything that happens in your life is an experience and take it as an experience. You go to a movie, you watch a movie and it's an experience for you. And then you feel bad for that little time like an audience. You go home and you're fine. That's all you have to do in life also as experiences, and this is what I tell to each and every person in my life. Even my daughter who's 5-year-old, keep telling her, okay, you got an experience, now you learn from your experience. I never blame the other person. Oh, doll, how did you, hurt my baby? I always tell my baby, you put the doll in the wrong position. The doll was lying on the floor. That's why you fell down. Right? I will tell her to learn through her experiences. And experiences every time are not bad, but because there might be solutions in disguise which we don't want to look at. Sometimes we are so hurt that we don't want to look at solutions. Please don't do that. And I'm not demotivating you. Your career is fine, your money is fine, all that is fine. But this was the only area of concern. Baki, your journey is very good. You're going on a very good journey. People will be liking you. They will also praise you for whatever you have done in your life. Just that I also said in my last video that sometimes people that you choose are wrong. Sometimes people are right, but timing is wrong. Sometimes timing is wrong and people is wrong. Sometimes you are wrong. So here what I feel is, this person who's having everything in life, he still feels depressed because he doesn't have this. So that should not be your case in life. And December, I'm telling you, especially Geminis, don't enter into any kind of a relationship. Just 1 month. In every video I say this. This is just for 1 month. After a month, planetary positions will change, energies will change, your experiences will change, everything will change and you'll be a different person. You'll be a better version of yourself. Then your experiences will change again. Pray. Every day pray. Keep gratitude does lot of things, let me tell you. Keep everyone in gratitude, even someone who has hurt you. I know it takes a bigger heart to do that, but it's okay. Do it mechanically, technically in the start. Later wise, you can do that. Forgive. I always do this exercise. I would really like you all to note it down if you have a pen and paper. So it goes, I forgive and forget whatever done and not done by this person. This person means you have to take the name. So for example, the name is Ram. So I would always say, I forgive and forget whatever done and not done by Ram. My forgiveness is complete and total. My forgiveness is complete and total. You are free. I am free. You are also free. I am also free. And forgiveness does not mean that you have to go talk good to that person. It does not mean you have to call the person, or it doesn't mean that you make an effort to not see the person. You should be indifferent. When you come to that point in time, whatever the person is doing, you are indifferent. Whatever the person is not doing, you are indifferent. You are in the forgiveness mode. Basically, you have to remove the hurt out of yourself, is what forgiveness. Forgiveness is more for your betterment than anyone else. I call it a psychic debris. So I always say, if you want to come for any healing session with me, please do your part, I will do my part. And your part is just forgiveness and gratitude, both. So you always say that, I'm in gratitude for this person, that this person did XXX thing in my life. So everyone comes to teach you, everyone comes to give you experience. So say gratitude for all experiences, because you have to learn through experiences. That person has done his job very nicely by hurting you or whatever. So you have to have your experiences, right? All right. Um, you might be in search of shortcuts, especially in career and in money. Not the right time. Okay. I don't mean long cuts, but I always say, and especially this month for you Geminis, take calculated risks. I don't mean do not take risks, but if you have to put your money in mutual funds, small caps is something that you need to look at right now, or FDs or something like that. Don't take high risks, especially in career and in money. I don't mean to say that you will be insecure or you'll not get money or you'll be poor or anything of that sort. No issues relating to money, just that I don't know why, have developed this shortcut mentality, and it's not going to serve you. Anyway, it has not served a lot of people, but again, long term has also not served people. I always say, make a balance, be smart. गधा मजूरी से ज्यादा तुम लोग smart मजूरी करो. All right. Yeah, most of the things we have covered in the session. So the tip for you is forgiveness. I can also prescribe you, okay, a happiness spray. So these are some sprays which you get, soul collection sprays. It's there in our center. You can contact us. So you just spray like this. They are made out of essential oils. There are crystals inside, and we charge them according to your needs, and you know how spirituality works. So anything for happiness, this is something that I can prescribe. And forgiveness and gratitude, don't forget. All right. So next video after this month, I'll be making for the whole year. So do not forget to check that video in January. Just to see how the whole year will be going for you. All right. And you all take care. I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.